Good morning, welcome. I want to thank everyone for signing up for this ride. I'm Randall Speir, I'm the Motorsports Manager for Dana. We consider Jeeping motorsports, right? Dana's proud to be part of the heritage of the Jeep from the days of the Willys Overlander and the Bantam. We've been there the whole way. We're there for the new JL that's just been released. So another generation of Jeeps, Dana's been there. We take being stewards of the industry and being stewards of this family very important. It's very important to us. So that's why we're out here and sponsoring these things, right? Because we want the Jeep family to continue. You know, we've got some different generations of people here. We love it. So we're here to support you. So let's have fun, be safe today, and have a great time.